It's time for us to use our imagination. For today's activity, we're going to pretend that we're painters. Yep, we're about to practice painting in the air, capital and lowercase l. Before we can start painting, I need you to do one thing for me. Right now, scholars, I need you to close your eyes. Are they closed? I'm about to check. Some of you are peeking. Okay, scholars, great job closing your eyes. With your eyes closed, I need you to imagine the perfect size paintbrush that you want to pretend to use today. Is your paintbrush small, medium, large? Is it teeny tiny or jumbo size? Go ahead and pick out the size that's going to fit comfortably in your hand. Do you have it? Okay, when you're ready, open up those big, beautiful learning eyes. Hi! All right, I've got my paintbrush and it's a pretty big size. The next thing we need to do is pick out what color you want to pretend to paint with today. Miss Chandra is going to pick yellow because I want to match Samson's lollipop. Do you have your pretend color? Okay, great. Well, let's get to painting. Holding on to our pretend paintbrushes, we're going to write in the air those movements we learned to make capital and lowercase l. Let's start off by pretending to paint a capital L in the air. Are you ready, friends? Remember, it will be 2 steps. Ready? Paintbrush up. 1, straight line down, and 2, shorter line to the right. Nice work. Let's do it again. Ready? 1, 2. Oh, those L's look so great. Ready to do it all by yourself? I'll watch you. Go for it, scholars. 1, 2. What a great painter you are. All right, now let's start practicing lowercase l with our paintbrushes. Remember, friends, lowercase l is just 1 step. Are you ready? Paintbrush up. 1. Straight line down. Great job. Let's do it again. Ready? 1. Nice work. One more time. Ready? 1. Great job with your lowercase l. Now let's do a lowercase l slow. Ready? 1. Ooh, that paint is oozing down. All right, scholars, now let's do a lowercase l really fast. Ready? 1. Excellent job. Woo! If you need to give your hands a shake from all that air writing and pretend paintbrush writing, go for it.